G'day everybody, welcome to the show. On tonight's program, I'm gonna get all scientific. I'm gonna upgrade my Sena, and I'm gonna try and put some numbers around it. So I'm gonna measure the original straight out of the box, and then I'm gonna throw the high definition set in it and give it a remeasure and see what the numbers tell us. Will it be huge? Will it be minute? Will it be worth my investment? Kick back, grab a beverage of course, and let's have a look and see what science tells us. Crank her up. Oh, that was loud. Okay, so that's at the loudest point. I imagine again with the original sound speakers. Do some tests. We'll move it to there. Move it back to here. Okay, so they're the tests with the original. I will the HD system in and we'll have another look, see how we go. See you shortly. You will need to upgrade your firmware, so you'll need to plug your unit into the computer, upgrade your firmware. Once that's done, you'll need to go into the app, jump into the app and turn your HD on, and then once you've switched that on, it gives you some options on your sound. I've got switch mine on to triple bass, I think it is. I'll show you here in the photo what I've got turned on. And then we'll get out on the highway and test. We've done the change out, so let's have a little gander and see if we can get some science to work in our favour. Let me grab my light. So that's at our low volume setting. Gives you a whole lot more volume switch. So there's the science, folks. From the to the HD Sena from the original set that came with it, the 30K. Yes, I know the numbers weren't as extreme as what I was expecting. I'll be honest, I thought that they'd be a lot higher. But we'll get out on the road, I'll have a listen to it, and we'll go from there. So stand by for a result on that.
old dog, diggity dog. That sound is absolutely amazing. The quality, it is a little bit louder, and I say only a little bit, it's not ridiculously loud, but the quality, the tone, well, the definition, I guess, very much worth the outlay for the difference. Definitely hear the sound over the bike now, which was a struggle previously, but nah, really happy with that. So that is absolutely fantastic. There you go. Whether that's a recommendation or not, I think I've paid about 40 bucks for the upgrade here in Australia, plus a bit of freight. So I'm happy with that result. So winner, chicken dinner. Excellent. I'm going to kick back now and listen to some more of my awesome tunes. Catch you later. Those that hang around right to the end, thanks for sticking in there. That's for no other reason than shits and giggles. Let's put the sound meter on this bloody thing and see just how much freaking noise it does make. Get back home and we'll poke that decimeter up one of the exhaust pipes and see what we can get out of it. That's an idle. Is that a good thing or a bad thing? I won't be looking up to see what the requirement is. Anyway, catch you next time. Thanks for joining us today. Keep well, ride safe, and we will see you all next time. Must be time for a beer. Let's go.